So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. Well, I'm not finding a whole lot of big stuff today, and so I decided that I would sit down on this gravel bar and see what I could find in the small stuff. I very, very rarely look at the small stuff, but when I have, I found some really beautiful things. So let's take a look, see what we can find. This is cool. It's like a little seam agate, kind of like a little sandwich agate. It's got chalcedony of some kind on one side and jasper on the other two. That's neat. I'm going to keep that. Let's see, what else do we have here? Here's just a little bit of chalcedony. See how pretty it is in the sunshine. And let's see what else we can find. I'll bet that would be really pretty tumbled. It's like a jasp agate. It's got little jasper and pieces of chalcedony all together. I'm just going to make a little pile here so that I don't have to keep putting them in my backpack. Let's see what else we've got. It's kind of nothing. This is neat. Isn't that pretty? It's just kind of a agate-y, quartzy sort of thing. And what about this? I thought that might have had bands in it, but it doesn't. It's a teeny tiny little piece of petrified wood. That's kind of fun. There's that agate that we looked at before. And, ooh, this is neat. That is, I think, just a piece of jasper, maybe? Chert? But it's all layered up, so it's got some kind of cool swirls in it. Here is a piece of my favorite, one of my favorite rocks. I like all rocks, I have to say, but jasper has a special place in my heart because it's pretty, it's polishable, and it's abundant. And this one is just a little piece of yellow and red jasper. I really loved it. Wow, this is really cool. I picked this up because it had this kind of text, this two different colors on it, and I thought it was like a piece of, I don't know, metamorphic rock of some kind. But I turned it over, and check that out. It's a petrified wood. It's a little piece of petrified wood. I don't know what all this stuff is, but I like it. I just noticed that that little piece of what I called chalcedony is actually has the little agate banding in it. See, it's got a little pocket there and some bands around the outside. That's fun. Another really nice piece of jasper. Let's see what else we can find here. I just sat down and I'm just going through some of the rocks that are just right next to me. I'm not cherry picking or anything like that. I'm just showing you how much beautiful stuff is just right there at your feet. Like this tour just found this. What do you like about this one?
It's a tiny agate.
This?
You picked up the wrong thing.
Oh, where is it?
Go look for a tiny agate that's glowy.
Oh, sorry, I missed it. That's just chert. I don't even like that. Okay, so
Oh, I'll find it.
Thor just found the agate that he had thrown at me and I missed, and picked up a piece of chert and thought he was crazy. It is very pretty, and it also has some agate-y material in the center. Some kind of banding type stuff. That is very cool. Yeah, I picked up a few rocks. What a surprise. Hey, look at that, you can see me. This is Kate from KatyDid. Keep on doing.